Learning English speaking.
Once upon a time, there was a small village where a young man named Ahmed lived. Ahmed was a smart, hard-working young man, but he was also a little proud of himself. One day, Ahmed was walking in the forest when he saw an old man sitting on a stone. The old man was wearing shabby clothes, and his face was wrinkled from old age. Ahmed asked the old man, "What's wrong with you? Why are you sitting here?" The old man replied, "I am seeking knowledge, but I have not found anyone to teach me anything." Ahmed felt pity for the old man, so he said to him, "I will teach you everything I know." The old man accepted Ahmed's offer, and the two began to study together. Ahmed was teaching the old man everything he knew about mathematics, science and history. The old man learned very quickly, and became very intelligent. The old man became friends with Ahmed, and taught Ahmed a lot about life. One day, the old man decided to leave the village. He said to Ahmed, "Thank you for teaching me. I have learned a lot from you." Ahmed replied, "Thank you for being my friend." The old man left the village and went to spread knowledge in the world. Ahmed learned an important lesson from the old man, which is that humility is the most important thing in life. The end. Tutorials ***. Humility is the most important thing in life. We must help others even if they are different from us. We can learn a lot from the people around us. Interesting elements in the story ***. The mysterious old man figure. The story of the friendship between Ahmed and the old man. The educational lessons that Ahmed learned from the old man.